Taylor County, Georgia. The relaxed pace of country living, plus convenient access to jobs, schools, and exciting attractions. Major highways provide trouble-free connections to Fort Benning, Columbus, Georgia, and other prime locations throughout the region. The cities of Butler and Reynolds are the essence of small-town charm. Butler, the Taylor County seat, is known for its historic courthouse and town square. Reynolds is only a few miles from Butler, offering the same relaxed pace and close-knit atmosphere. Both cities offer affordable housing options. In addition, you'll find acres of land to build the home of your dreams. Taylor County's public school system serves students from pre-K through grade 12. All schools are centrally located in the city of Butler. Post-secondary schools in and near Taylor County provide opportunities for continuing education. Healthcare services are available locally and in the region, including some of the best hospitals and specialized care facilities in the Southeast. Taylor County is perfect for outdoor activities like fishing and boating on the Flint River. Some of Georgia's most popular attractions are close by. Shopping, dining, and entertainment are also within easy driving distance. Tranquil surroundings, convenient location, and a family-friendly atmosphere. Taylor County, Georgia has everything you're looking for.